In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sizes on Woocommerce. Setting up your Woocommerce store involves a myriad of steps, but today we're zoning in on a specific feature that could very well be the backbone of your online store if you're dealing in physical goods. Sizes. Whether you deal in apparel, accessories, or any item that comes in various dimensions, offering a range of sizes is crucial for catering to your diverse customer base. So let's tackle this together step by step, ensuring you can efficiently add sizes to your products in WooCommerce. First and foremost, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. The dashboard is essentially the control room of your WordPress site. From here you can navigate to different sections, post content, and most importantly for us today, manage your WooCommerce store. Assuming you've already installed and set up WooCommerce on your WordPress site, you'll find it seamlessly integrated into your dashboard. Once logged in, your next step is to click on Products. This tab is located on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Clicking on it will expand into several options, including all products, add new, categories, tags, and attributes. For the purpose of adding sizes, we're particularly interested in the last option. But let's not get ahead of ourselves just yet. After clicking on products, your next destination is the attributes section. Here's where things start getting interesting. Attributes in WooCommerce allow you to define extra product data, such as sizes or colors. They can also be used to create variable products, but that's a topic for another day. For now, focus on the fact that attributes are the key to adding sizes to your products. Now it's time to create a new attribute. In the attributes section, you'll see a field to type in a name. Here you'd type in size, or any similar term that best describes the dimension variable for your products. Think about this step as creating a category for the sizes you want to offer. This categorization is crucial for organizing your products and making it easier for your customers to find exactly what they're looking for. After typing in the name, you'll see a button labeled Add Attribute. Clicking this button will officially create your new attribute. But our journey doesn't end here. Creating the attribute is just the foundation. Next, you need to fill it with details, in our case, the specific sizes you offer. Be it small, medium, large, or even more nuanced sizes, this is where you'll specify them. So, why is this step so critical? On the internet, where customers can't physically try on or measure products, clear, accessible information about sizes is indispensable. It helps in making informed purchasing decisions and significantly reduces the likelihood of returns due to sizing issues. Furthermore, it enhances the customer shopping experience, making it smooth and hassle-free, thereby encouraging repeat business. Remember, the world of online shopping is vast and competitive. It's the little things like optimizing your store to include comprehensive size information that can set your business apart. Plus, with WooCommerce's flexible attributes feature, you're not just limited to adding sizes. You can replicate this process for any variation your products may have, be it color, material, or any other specification that's relevant to your inventory. As you embark on this journey to refine your WooCommerce store, keep in mind the importance of clarity and detail. Your online storefront is your connection to your customers. The more effort you put into making it user-friendly and informative, the stronger that connection becomes. Adding sizes to your products is just one step in optimizing your store, but it's a significant one. In conclusion, today we've walked through the process of adding sizes to your WooCommerce products. From accessing your WordPress dashboard to clicking on products, navigating to attributes, and finally adding and specifying your size attribute, each step is designed to enhance your store's functionality and user experience. Remember, the key to a successful online store lies in the details. So take the time, follow these steps, and set your store up for success. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most of your WooCommerce store. Happy selling!